So welcome students. In this question you're asked to find 0 to pi integer part of cot x dx. So how we do this? So between 0 to pi you know that cot x goes from plus infinity to minus infinity. So it has a whole range of values. So we use a property of definite integral to solve this question. So let us say that I is equal to integration of 0 to pi integer part of cot x dx. Now I is also equal to integer 0 to pi integer part of cot of, in the place of x I can put pi minus x dx, right? So you have, if you have 0 to a f of x, that is same as 0 to a f of a minus x dx. That is nothing but 0 to pi integer part of minus cot x dx. Now if I add these two, 2I is equal to integration of 0 to pi integer part of cot x plus integer part of minus cot x dx. Now you have a property which says that integer part of x plus integer part of minus x is always equal to minus 1 if x is not an integer, is equal to 0 if x belongs to integers. Now as x goes from 0 to pi, the value of cot x, apart from some discrete values, this cot x will not be an integer. If cot x is an integer, that will be at a random discrete values of x, at some values of x. At all other values, cot x is a non-integer. So integer part of cot x plus integer part of minus cot x will always be equal to minus 1. So this can be taken as minus 1 dx, that is equal to minus of integration of dx is pi. So I is equal to minus pi by 2 is the right answer to this question. Thank you.